Come on, boys. Let's go. Go for a walk. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Let's go. They're funny little things. They're kind of like, I raised them kind of like dogs. So they act kind of like dogs, but they're still cats. So they do their cat thing. They'll walk with me, but they don't walk exactly with me. They'll keep their distance, and then they'll kind of cycle in and out. But they're always within, say, 50 yards. I don't know. Come on. Good boys. I think they just figured out we're going to do a walk. Come on. Let's go.